In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Base44. This process is quite straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you understand it fully and can carry it out without any hiccups. First, we need to log in to your Base44 dashboard. You can do this by visiting the Base44 website, which is base44.com, or by heading to your specific workspace URL if you have one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main project screen. This is where all the magic happens. Now, take a moment to locate the project you wish to delete. You'll see a list or a grid of project tiles on your screen, each representing a different project. Spend a bit of time finding the right project, as this step is crucial to avoid deleting the wrong one. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that particular project tile. The project tile is essentially a preview of your project, where you'll usually see its name and perhaps some other brief details about it. As you hover, you'll notice a small menu icon represented by 3 dots, or sometimes a gear-like settings icon emerges. In some versions of Base44, you might see it labeled as a More button, so don't worry if it looks slightly different from what I describe. The function remains the same. Go ahead and click on this icon. When you click, a small menu will drop down. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Delete Project. Base44 has a friendly user interface, so this should be easy to locate. But don't rush through the process. Double check that you've selected the correct project for deletion. Once you've clicked Delete Project, Base44 will prompt a confirmation window. This step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so be sure to review it carefully. If you're absolutely certain that you want to delete this project, go ahead and click Delete. And there you have it. Your project is now deleted. Remember, deleting a project is irreversible in Base44, so always be sure before you go through with it. I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with managing your projects effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.